Lily was a spirited young girl, often lost in her own world of games and fun. Her mother, Sarah, worked tirelessly to provide for Lily, balancing work and household chores with unwavering dedication. One afternoon, Sarah picked up Lily from school as usual, but this time Lily was preoccupied with her toys, barely acknowledging her mother's presence. Lily, with her eyes glued to her tablet, inquired,
Mom, can we make a quick stop for donuts?
"Not today, honey. We need to go grocery shopping," Sarah replied, trying to hide her disappointment. Arriving at the store, Sarah loaded up the cart with essentials, but Lily remained disinterested, engrossed in her game. As they headed to the checkout, Sarah realized they had forgotten to grab a few items.
Lily, can you watch the cart while I quickly grab the milk?
Lily nodded absent-mindedly, her attention still on the game. Sarah hurried back, only to find Lily engrossed in conversation with another child, leaving Sarah to carry the heavy bags alone. That evening, as they unpacked the groceries, Lily complained,
How did you carry 3 bags all the way home?
Sarah paused, her eyes filled with unshed tears.
Lily, when you didn't help me, I had to carry all the bags by myself. But I never complained, because all I want is to make sure you have food on the table.
Realization dawned on Lily's face as she hugged her mom tightly.
I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't know. I'll always help you from now on.
From that day on, Lily became Sarah's little helper, eagerly assisting with grocery shopping and chores.
Hi, Lily. Can we play?
I'm sorry, but not right now. I've learned a valuable lesson today, one that every child should understand. Helping Mom should always come first, just as she puts us first. I've also decided to organize my schedule and tasks better. Let's plan to play together at 5 p.m. Meet you at the playground.
Lily and her mom, together, they forged a bond stronger than ever, built on love, understanding, and gratitude. The scent of vanilla and sugar filled the air as they prepared to bake a cake together. Lily took a deep breath, mimicking her mother's actions. With a careful tap, the egg cracked. But a bit too hard, causing the eggshell to crumble into the bowl.
It's okay, Lily. That's part of learning.
Sarah shared stories of her own childhood baking adventures, and Lily listened with feeling closer to her mother than ever before.
This cake looks amazing, Mom.
It does, doesn't it? But you know what makes it even more special? The time we spent together making it.
Sarah's heart swelled with pride and gratitude, knowing that her daughter had learned the value of appreciation and kindness.
The moral of the story is, appreciate and cherish the time spent with your mom, whether it's helping her in daily tasks or simply spending quality time together. Always remember the love and sacrifices she makes for you. Being considerate of your mom's efforts and showing gratitude strengthens the bond between you, creating cherished memories that last a lifetime.
Remember, kids, the bond between a mother and child is one of the most precious gifts in life. Together, we create a world filled with love and compassion. Thank you for joining us on this journey.